Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the perfect braid out each and every time. As you can see, my hair is extremely dry, but I'm going to go in with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. And this literally hits it on the head every single time. So what I do is I section off my hair with my fingers, I water it down with this spray bottle, and then I detangle, of course. Then I go in with the product. Now I can do pretty decent size sections. I braid it down to somewhat of the tip, about an inch before I get to the very end of my hair is where I'll just do a 2-strand twist. So I start off with a regular braid, then I twist it. As you guys can see here, going throughout the same process to achieve my ideal look. So I let my hair dry overnight and then I'm all set to unbraid it. So I do oil up my fingers just to make the process a lot more smooth. And look at the definition, guys. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but I know you see it. It is so, like, it's just so pretty. I am obsessed with this product. It never fails me. And I just take down each braid one at a time. This is definitely my favorite product in the summertime just because I can drench my hair and then braid it overnight. And as you can see, I can wake up with the perfect style. Now, honestly, I go through about 3 or 4 of these in the summer. It's just that good. I will say though, is you can't build on it too much. So like for example, tonight I can probably go in and wet my hair again and then braid it down. But I think after 2 applications, you definitely want to wash your hair out because then you'll get this white kind of flaky substance on your hair, which we don't like. But if you're putting it on fresh hair, you'll be fine. So please ignore my little pimple I got going on. Like, my skin is going through it, but my hair is not, okay? And if you're trying to achieve a more defined look than this, just do smaller sections. It works perfectly for 4C, 4B hair, which is pretty much where I fall in line. And yeah.